Hi everyone, today we are going to turn these overripe bananas into a super easy Malaysian sweet treat that's naturally vegan. Lepat Pisang is a delicious sweet cake made from a combination of overripe bananas, all-purpose flour and coconut. Making Lepat Pisang is very simple. First we are going to mash some bananas. Any type of banana will do, although locally the pisang mas, golden banana is preferred. I am using the Rastali banana today. These are a little sour. We will use about 7 bananas for this recipe. When the bananas are nicely mashed, we can add all-purpose flour. Use about 3/4 cup, but you can adjust the quantity to get the texture needed. Then add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Also add 1/4 teaspoon salt to bring out the flavors. Now add 2 tablespoon powdered palm sugar. The mixture is ready for steaming. We also need to prepare some white grated coconut for the filling. Add a pinch of salt to the coconut and mix well. Now let's prepare the wrappers. Get some banana leaves and cut them to size of about 15 by 15 cm. Wipe clean on both sides to remove any dust or dirt. Heat the leaves over a low fire to soften them for easy wrapping. Now place 2 tablespoons of banana mixture in the center of the leaf. Place the coconut filling on top. Pull both sides of the leaf to the center and fold over. Tuck both ends in to form a tight wrapper. Let's place all the wrapped banana in a steamer. Steam at high heat for about 20 minutes. Now remove from the steamer and allow the cakes to cool down before serving. Let's try the lepat pisang. It is so tasty with a mixture of sweetness from the bananas and saltiness from the coconut filling. Do try this easy recipe and share in the comments how it turned out for you. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for your support.